What's going on YouTube? We're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying problem of having your Instagram account suspended in here. As you can see, I'm giving a look at this screenshot which says we suspended your account on April 28, 2023 and there are 180 days remaining to disagree with this decision. So basically what it's saying is that I do have my account suspended and I'm temporarily unable to use my account, or I'm temporarily unable to post and like people on Instagram or something like that. Now please note that this can be something partial. For example, it can be a situation where you're unable to perform a specific task or move within Instagram itself. For example, you may be blocked from following other people, or you may be 100% blocked from logging into Instagram if it's a much complicated and serious situation. But do not worry, I'm going to help you fixing this annoying problem in this video, but it's important for you to follow the steps in the specific order that I'm going to show them to you. Otherwise, you might miss a very important step, because basically here one step complements the other. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Now here we go, we do have a screenshot, and if you're giving a look at this screenshot on your iPhone, the very first thing I would recommend you guys to do is to tap on disagree with decision. This is pretty much the only way we have in here in order to fix this issue. So after tapping on disagree with decision, next up you're gonna follow up by filling up the form that you've got next. It's going to ask you your username, your name, details about what exactly happened, and I would recommend you to select something that most accurately relates with what actually happened in order to ask them to get it sorted out. One cool tip, for example, is to say, hey, my account has been hacked, or someone else was trying to use my phone and did something that wasn't correct or that doesn't go along with community guidelines, and I'm so sorry, I wish to regain access into my Instagram account. Because basically when you get suspended, this can be due to many causes, and I'm going to show you how to find the cause as well. Now the thing is, you may be, for example, buying fake followers. You may be following 100 people in less than 30 minutes, which will sound like a bot or like a fake profile or something like that. So you want to make sure that you follow community guidelines and that you do not violate any sort of Instagram community guidelines. Now if you're unable to disagree with the decision, if this doesn't work, do not worry. Let's move, for example, into my IG real quick in here. Let's search for Instagram, and then right here below your profile you do have the three lines at the top right corner. So you want to tap on it. Next up you want to scroll down here all the way to more info down here. Okay, so we do have more info and support, and next up you're going to tap in here on account status. Now over here you'll be able to see if you do have a limitation or a suspension or not. For example, let's see if you're allowed to remove content and messaging issues. Everything is okay. Limits to your reach, everything is okay. Features you can't use, everything is okay. If I tap in here, you would be able to see exactly which feature you're blocked in case you are blocked to use a specific feature. Okay, so you want to double check in here in order to find what's the problem. Now if you had something red in here, for example an X or something, that means that I'm unable to use that feature. And if I tap on it, next up there would be a specific sort of button or solution letting me know what I should do next, or simply what I can do next to try to appeal and fix the issue. So give it a try here from Instagram itself. But if you are in a much delicate or complicated situation, you won't even be able to log in into your Instagram account, and if that's the case, then we would need to move into the next step in order to fix this issue. Now the next step would need you to hop into your internet browser and then simply go all the way to this website, which is help.instagram, there we go, .com. Tap on OK to go to this website, and then once it loads, it's going to take you a couple seconds depending on your internet speed, and once it loads you're going to search for an article right here. Okay, so right here at the top you're going to search for suspended. There we go, suspended, and then simply tap on search to search for articles related to your account being suspended. Right now, next up we're going to scroll down, and we do have in here 29 search results for suspended. Next up, let's quickly scroll down a bit in here, and then we do have this one which says about disabled old Instagram accounts. I do recommend you into hopping into this one real quick, and then we're gonna scroll down in here, and then we do have a section in here which says, for example, how to regain access or something like that. We do have in here, learn how to regain access. Step 1, so you need to tap on cancel. Do not open up the application because you're unable to log in. We just want to get this issue solved here from our website browser. Tap on cancel, and then you need to fill up in here your username, and then tap on next, and then continue filling the form in order to help us fixing up this issue. Now, once you tap in here and continue, you'll be filling a form which is known as the appeal form in here that can help with fixing the problem. Now, my best recommendation would be to let Instagram know that you've been hacked and that that person exactly wasn't you. That's the quickest way on how you can solve this issue. If this doesn't help, simply go back, for example, all the way back to this page that we've reached to, and then scroll down, and then simply tap on this was not useful, and then tap on other, and then you can tap on select, and you can submit in here your entire text. You can say something like, hi Instagram, unfortunately this didn't help me out. My account was hacked. I did not commit anything wrong on purpose. This was all done actually from somebody that hacked me, and I wish to actually regain access into my account. Please help me out with this process, right? And do not forget to leave your email address so that Instagram can reach back to you. It's very important to leave your email address, and please note that Instagram does not let go any sort of submitted feedback in here. They always reply to it and get back to you. So you can expect a positive result or simply a result out of what you're submitted. Now, please note that there's no 100% guarantee that will help you fixing this, but this is exactly the only process you have, so you should give it a try, and hopefully this will help you fixing the problem. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.